Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sara and I am a level 1 student at Han School Islamabad campus. So viewers, as you know, I will come with a new TEDx talk topic. So today my TEDx talk topic is the power of introverts and its speaker name is Susan Cain. So let's start. Susan Cain argues that our world, especially school and workplaces, often favors extroverts, people who get energy from being around others, and undervalues introverts, people who recharge through quiet time. She explains introverts are not she by default, they just react differently to stimulation. Society pressures introverts to be louder and more outgoing, but that hurts creativity and deep thinking. Many great leaders and thinkers like Gandhi or Rosa Parks were introverted, and their quiet strength helped them succeed. Schools and offices then often for group work and open spaces, which overwhelm introverts and dismiss their unique talents. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk topic. So I hope like it. Meet with the next TEDx talk topic. So Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.